Standard 5th Subject EVS Part 1. Lesson number 1, our Earth and our Solar System. Part 4. In our previous video, we had studied about asteroid and gravity. This video, we are going to study India's space mission. On 22 October 2008, the Indian Space Research Organization ISRO launched a spacecraft to the moon. The mission is known as Chandrayaan-1. Mangalyaan is another important space mission. It is known as MOM or Mars Orbit Mission. It was launched on 5th November 2013 and it got established in an orbit around the planet Mars on 24th September 2014. ISRO achieved this feat in its first attempt. Both these missions are unmanned. Unmanned means there were no man inside. That is, there were no people on board this spacecraft. The objective of the mission is a deeper study of the moon and Mars. You can see the photograph of the region around India taken by Mangalyaan. People have always been curious about the heavenly bodies in the sky. They have always wanted to reach them. However, to send some object from the earth into space, it must be given power against the force of gravity. Rocket technology or space launch technology is used for that purpose. One of the Diwali firecrackers is called a rocket. It is packed with explosive substances. The explosive burn rapidly and produce a lot of energy. The design of the rocket is such that the firecracker is pushed in a certain direction at a great speed. Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into space. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burned in rockets so that spacecraft weighing thousands of tons can be launched into the space. In the 20th century, a few countries of the world developed space technology and sent hundreds of spacecraft into space. Our country is well known for the development of its space launch technology. Some spacecraft remain in space. Some are brought back to the Earth while some land on other planets or satellites. In some missions, scientists also travel in the spacecraft. They are called astronauts. Space scientists have not yet been able to find a single other planet which have life on it. Therefore, our Earth is an invaluable planet. The degradation of its environment for any reason will be a threat to the existence of life itself. Indian astronaut Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian astronaut to go into the space in 1984. He spent 8 days on a space station for a joint mission of the ISRO and the Soviet Intercosmos. Seeing India from the space, he said that it looked सारे जहां से अच्छा. Satellite. Man-made satellites provide useful information for agriculture, environment, weather forecasting, making maps, and searching for water and mineral wealth on the earth. They are also used for telecommunication. They are put into orbit around the earth. They can remain in space for many years. In this lesson, we had studied the sun is a star. All the other bodies in the solar system get light from the sun. The sun and the planets, their satellites, dwarf planets and asteroids that revolve around the sun are together called as a solar system. Things on the earth remain on it due to the force of gravity. To travel in space, the Earth's gravitational force has to be overcome. Rocket technology helps us to do that. So, we had completed our lesson number 1, our Earth and our solar system. Thank you.